On the 30th of November 2022, first meeting was held between PSMZA International Officer and Politeknik Aceh Officer. In this meeting, both institutions have agreed to collaborate in this program. Followed by Central Committee meeting on the 18th of January 2023, a meeting between administrative officers of PSMZA and Politeknik Aceh, including directors of both institutions, on the 6th of February 2023. Collaboration program is done on the 28th of February 2023. This program aims to give students the opportunity to make better quality videos, whether for academic purposes, business, or for job opportunities, apart from giving students the opportunity to exchange thought and opinion with students from overseas institution. Animize whiteboard animation software is an all-in-one platform to make explain a video for anything from business branding, marketing, advertising, school presentation to art, fashion and individual stories sharing. So, any videos, whether you publish it online or offline, will get great social sharing opportunities. It can be on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Vimeo and Google+, that inspire you to tell loud and stand out among other competitors. Your stories are universal to make a lasting impact. In addition, this international collaborative program is also a credit for both institutions, staff and students involved. This program has achieved all the objectives set, and everyone, especially students, got new knowledge and advantages by joining it. This program can be a benchmark program and the beginning for other collaborative program in the future for both institutions. Today, on the 8th of March 2023, the delegation from Politeknik Aceh are visiting PSMZA for signing ceremony of agreed minute of meeting, AMM. At the same time, the representative from Politeknik Aceh will conduct the sharing knowledge session to the PSMZA student.